The clock is ticking very fast. The challenge has been accepted. And Mat Armstrong just made a move that has the entire automotive community losing their minds. While you were unwrapping Christmas presents, Mat dropped a bombshell on Instagram that confirms the wildest automotive project of 2026 is officially underway. I'm talking about FX Alex G's destroyed Bugatti Chiron. The hypercar Bugatti themselves refused to repair. And Mat just posted proof he's ignoring their warning. Let's get into this. 24 hours ago, Mat Armstrong's Instagram story showed something nobody expected to see this soon. A purple Bugatti Chiron, hood open, completely disassembled. And one simple caption, warming the tools up for next year. Now, if you've been following this saga, you know exactly what this means. This isn't just any Bugatti. This is the car that FX Alex G crashed and insurance wrote off. Bugatti blacklisted and refused to supply parts for the repair. This repair requires over £250,000 just to get running again. And Mat Armstrong just confirmed it is in his possession. Let me explain why this single Instagram post is sending shockwaves through the automotive industry. Bugatti doesn't just build cars, they control every aspect of ownership. When they blacklist a vehicle, it means no official parts, no technical documentation, no authorized repair shops, no support whatsoever. They've just told FX Alex G, your car is dead unless we fix it at our facility for whatever price we decide. But here's where it gets interesting. FX Alex G refused. He bought the car back from auction, raised £250,000 in days, and called in Mat Armstrong, the one person crazy enough to attempt what Bugatti says is impossible. And now that Bugatti is in Mat's custody, tools are being prepared, and the battle against the blacklist is about to begin. Let's rewind and see how fast this situation escalated. Weeks ago, FX Alex G crashes his Bugatti Chiron. His car insurance company totals it. Next, FX Alex G tries buying parts. Bugatti slams the door and blacklisted the car. Then, FX Alex G goes public.
Alright Bugatti, you don't want to sell me new headlights. No problem, but...
Tags Mat Armstrong. The automotive world starts watching. Days ago, FX Alex G posts I need to raise £250,000 before Mat Armstrong comes next week. The countdown begins. 48 hours ago, the money gets raised. FX Alex G confirms Mat is coming. Yesterday, Mat posts the Bugatti in his story with the caption warming the tools up for next year. This moved faster than anyone predicted.
Bugatti Chiron Per Sport crash damage is finally gone up for auction, but it's not. When you can't get parts from Bugatti themselves because they literally blacklist the car because they only want themselves to repair it, not anybody else, I think it's going to be impossible to rebuild for a regular person like myself, unless you've got a little backhand at Bugatti where you can get the parts, or you're thinking of maybe using the parts for something else, or you randomly have a Bugatti Chiron Per Sport sat there with all the parts you need to fix it. If you're buying it to make...
Now here's where things get really interesting. Mat posted his upload schedule for the holidays, and there's one line that's driving speculation through the roof. December 26th, Boxing Day, special December 28th, MK2 channel video, January 1st, New Year's Day, special, hopefully. That word, hopefully, is doing some heavy lifting. Mat doesn't use hopefully casually. When he says hopefully, it means something major is in the works that might not be ready in time. And what's the biggest project Mat has ever attempted? The blacklisted Bugatti in his possession right now. Add to that his message, it's only going to get crazier next year. Mat is telegraphing that 2026 starts with something absolutely massive, and we just saw what that is. If Mat drops the Bugatti video on New Year's Day, here's what we're likely going to see. Full damage breakdown. Every smashed carbon fiber panel. Every shattered system. So how can Mat source components Bugatti refuses to sell? Bugatti's systems are proprietary. How does Mat reverse engineer solutions without factory support? £250,000 is the starting budget. Will it be enough? How long will this actually take? This won't just be another build video. This will be Mat laying out the entire strategy for the most complex automotive restoration ever documented on YouTube. Let me be clear about what's at risk here. If Mat succeeds, it proves manufacturer blacklists can be defeated. It shows independent hypercar repair is possible. It challenges the luxury automotive industry's control. It creates the most watched automotive series in YouTube history. It changes the game for exotic car ownership forever. But if Mat fails, it confirms Bugatti's absolute power over their vehicles. It proves some cars truly cannot be independently repaired. It may potentially cost Alex G his entire investment. It shows that manufacturer control is inescapable. This isn't just about fixing a car. This is about whether car owners truly own their vehicles, or whether manufacturers hold all the power. Thinking about it from Bugatti's perspective, if Mat Armstrong, a YouTuber working in an independent shop, can successfully repair a blacklisted Chiron without factory support, it undermines their entire service model. It questions their pricing. It challenges their authority. Bugatti wants this car to remain dead because it reinforces their control. Every successful independent repair weakens that control. And Mat is about to test whether that control is real or just an illusion. When FX Alex G first announced this project, the responses were, "Mat Armstrong is incredible, but Bugatti engineering is on another level. This might be beyond even him. If anyone can do this, it's Mat. He's rebuilt cars people said were impossible before. Bugatti blacklisted this car for a reason. They'll make sure he can't get parts." This is going to be the greatest automotive series ever made. Alex G should have just accepted the insurance payout. This car is finished. The skepticism is real. But so is the belief that Mat might actually pull this off. Right now, Mat has the car with him. A car Bugatti blacklisted. A car the insurance company wrote off as totaled. A car that half the automotive world believes is beyond repair. And in just days, we might see Mat Armstrong begin the most ambitious project of his career, attempting to prove that Bugatti's blacklist doesn't mean death sentence. The tools are warming up, the parts budget is raised, the cameras are rolling. January 1st, 2026 might be the day we witness automotive history. Can Mat actually do this, or will Bugatti intervene? What happens if he succeeds? Drop your predictions below and make sure you're subscribed.